Are groceries draining your wallet? It feels like every trip to the store costs more than the last, and trying to feed a family on a budget is getting tougher and tougher. But what if I told you there's an incredibly easy way to fight back against those rising prices, without sacrificing flavor or resorting to instant noodles every night? Today, I'm going to share a recipe that is an absolute game changer for busy weeknights and tight budgets. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's one of the most popular recipes from our exclusive cookbook bundle set. If you're interested in getting your hands on hundreds of recipes just like this one, the link is waiting for you in the description below. So, let's get into it. What do you need for this amazing meal? The shopping list is beautifully short and affordable. You'll need some chicken thighs, they're full of flavor and much cheaper than chicken breasts. Next, grab some honey for that wonderful sweetness, soy sauce for a savory, umami kick, and a few cloves of fresh garlic. We'll also add a little bit of ketchup, which might sound strange, but trust me, it adds a fantastic depth of flavor and a touch of tanginess. And if you like a little bit of heat, some red chili flakes are a great optional addition. That is literally it. No fancy, expensive ingredients you'll only use once. Now for the best part. The preparation is almost non-existent. This is a true dump and go recipe. First, take your chicken thighs and place them right into the bottom of your slow cooker. You don't even need to brown them first. Next, in a small bowl or a measuring cup, mix together the honey, the soy sauce, the minced garlic, and that little bit of ketchup. Whisk it all together until it's combined into a beautiful, glossy sauce. Now, pour this entire mixture evenly over the chicken in the slow cooker. Make sure every piece gets coated in that liquid gold. Put the lid on. Set your slow cooker to the low setting and just walk away. Let it cook for about 6 to 7 hours. Seriously, that's the magic. No standing over a hot stove, no constant stirring, no babysitting the pot. This is precisely why I believe slow cookers are the most underrated appliance in the modern kitchen. They are masters at transforming inexpensive, tougher cuts of meat, like chicken thighs, into something incredibly tender and juicy. Something that tastes like it came from a much more expensive meal. It just falls apart. And here's a pro tip for you. If you use a slow cooker liner, your cleanup will take, and I'm not exaggerating, less than 30 seconds. You just lift the bag out and toss it. It's a lifesaver on busy nights. After those 6 or 7 hours, your house is going to smell absolutely incredible. When you lift the lid, the chicken will be so tender you can shred it with just 2 forks. Don't even think about using a knife. Just pull the chicken apart right there in the slow cooker. Let that shredded meat soak up all of that glorious, syrupy sauce that's been created. This step is key to making sure every single bite is packed with flavor. Let it sit for a few minutes to absorb everything. For serving, it couldn't be simpler. Spoon a generous amount of fluffy, steamed rice onto a plate or into a bowl. Then, pile that sweet, savory, sticky honey garlic chicken right on top. You can garnish it with some sesame seeds or sliced green onions if you're feeling a little fancy. But it's fantastic just as it is. What you have is pure comfort food. It's the kind of meal that makes everyone happy and feels like a warm hug. Now, let's talk numbers, because that's what really matters when we're talking about budget-friendly meals. I made this entire dish for a total cost of roughly $10. And this recipe easily feeds a family of 5 to 6 people. When you do the math, that comes out to less than $3 per serving. Can you even get a coffee for that price anymore? It's an unbeatable value for a homemade meal that's this satisfying and delicious. You get a huge return on your investment of time and money. If you're wondering about the specific tools we use in our kitchen, from our favorite reliable slow cookers to the exact liners that make cleanup a breeze, and even the meal prep containers we use for leftovers, we've compiled everything into our household upgrades guide. It's a list of all the products we've tested and truly love. You can find the link to that guide in the description as well. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's proof that you don't have to spend a fortune or an entire evening in the kitchen to create an amazing meal for your family. If you found this helpful and want more simple, budget-friendly recipes that actually work for real life, consider grabbing our full recipe bundle from our Etsy shop. And of course, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!